So this is a Zosi. You see the light is flickering. I think it probably should be just staying steady on instead of flashing. I'm going to measure the output of the power supply and make sure that's not an issue. What the user said is the camera just are all blank. It's all Wi-Fi. That's what this looks like. Model number is zswnvk-a41000-us. Okay, so we're going to measure the voltage. Now I took and measured, and you see that we're getting 11 point and it drops. Same way with here. Okay, so I just used a big chisel and I just pried it apart. Basically all I did was take the flat part here and just twist it. I use the chisel, look at this, it's nice and sharp, and you have enough levers and meat to twist where I need to go. Okay, so we'll get to the rest of it. Alright, well right away we'll see this guy here. See how he's peaked up? That is a bad capacitor. If you look at this one, it's flat. This one's got a swell top to it. So that guy is a Huhong low ESR capacitor. It's just probably a high frequency capacitor. 1000 microfarads, 16 volt. We'll find one and replace it. No longer blinking, no longer beeping. Also has a bad hard drive on this unit. Okay, so let's measure the voltage. I feel something hum. I don't know if the black and the yellow. There's your 12 volts. And there's your 5 volts. Cool. So we got our voltages. This is probably something with this. This is a 670 gigabyte hard drive out of a computer that's old. Alright, so when I can't get the right password, if you right click, go to System Setup. If you right click in the password box 6 times, one, two, three, four. I don't know. That didn't work. The mouse isn't the best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Tested to comply with FCC standards for home or office use. The right mouse button, it's terrible. Underneath the quality pass sticker that I just poked through would be a screw. Now I understand that this stuff is completely mass produced in China. Well, okay, well that's usually not as loose as they are, but we'll work with it. This is the left button, this is the right button, and this is your wheel. You scroll and it has that function there. This is the optical pickup for the laser. I was just seeing if there was something that needed to be soldered for the switch to make it better, because it's completely garbage. What I can do, since there's a lot of dust in this, what I'm going to do is use my can of electrical cleaner, contact cleaner. I'm going to spray this board down here. And we're going to work this switch here, make it better. Just like that. We can just press it up and down, get that chemical down in the hole. We'll do it another time. Oop, don't want to do that. Alright, get back in your little pot. Okay, so I believe everything just was like this prior. Let me go back down easily. Okay, so I think that's how that was. Kind of just loose like that. And this came out the front with no restraints or anything there. God, that's terrible. These 4 pins here have to fit through the circuit board. Just to let you know. Otherwise they will not go in. Which makes taking this thing more of a pain in the butt. I don't know how that wire was in before, but it's definitely going to be in my way now. Did they go in there? No? Okay. Whatever. Alright, you see this little tab here? Often, this is used for manufacture, and this was supposed to be broken off, but they didn't do that in the production. So, that actually might be in the way. Here we go. Now we're in the home free. That's where it should be. And the wires should just wrap around, I believe, just like this, and out the hole. I'm gonna put that down. Screw in. Screw it down. That should work a whole lot better than what it did before. Already I can tell that this mouse button, I just right clicked it, and now it's working so much better. So we're going to go to System Setup, and I'm just going to put 1, and I'm going to tell it OK, and then we're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Yep, I'm gonna restore it. Alright, I'm just gonna tell it. I'm just gonna tell it OK. They had their username, that's fine. So what we're going to do is go into the hard drive. And I'm going to tell it sure. Okay, video settings set up. Hard drive set up. Click on the format. Tell it format. Yep. And that's how we're going to do the format. Oh, that was a little trivial. Format succeed. I'm going to tell it OK. I'm going to tell it apply. It says status unformatted, which is okay. It's been formatted. I'm going to tell it OK. Now I'm going to do this exit the system. Let's just reboot it. Yep. And I'm going to see if it comes up and it says anything when it reboots. So. Should say system initialize. Alright, so it must be pretty good then. We right click, system setup, and tell it OK. Hard drive, alright. General setup. Let's go to, let's see, do they have users. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Alright, cool. Well, that's it, folks. That's how you do everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Please consider subscribing.